We're going to explain how to open large HTML files without crashing your browser or text editor. Opening massive HTML files can be a challenge. They can be slow to load, and some applications might even freeze or crash trying to handle the sheer size. Here's a breakdown of methods and things to consider. 1. Using a specialized text editor. Standard text editors like Notepad, Windows, or TextEdit, Mac, struggle with huge files. Instead, consider using dedicated code editors designed for large files. These editors often employ techniques to improve performance when dealing with massive documents, like loading only the visible parts of the file or using optimized memory management. Popular choices include Sublime Text, Atom, Visual Studio Code, and Notepad++. These editors offer features like syntax highlighting, which makes it easier to read and navigate your HTML code, even within a very large file. Remember to check the editor's performance capabilities before starting, as some might struggle still. 2. Employing a browser's developer tools. While not ideal for editing, web browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc., have built-in developer tools. You can open the HTML file directly in your browser. It might not load instantly, but the browser handles large files more efficiently than many text editors, especially if the file has lots of images or embedded elements. The browser's developer tools usually allow inspection and manipulation of the HTML structure. This method lets you see how the file is rendered without needing to fully load it into an editor. 3. Splitting the file, if possible. If you have control over the HTML file and its creation, the most effective approach is often to prevent the problem at its root. Consider splitting the enormous HTML file into smaller, more manageable chunks. This can improve performance across the board. You could, for example, split the file based on logical sections, e.g., different chapters of a website, or by using server-side includes, if the file includes a lot of repetitive elements. Then you can open and work with the smaller files individually, and potentially combine them later. 4. Using a command line tool. For advanced users, command line tools like head and tail, available on Linux, macOS, and Windows with Git Bash or similar, let you view parts of the large file without loading the entire thing into memory. Head shows the beginning of the file, and tail shows the end. This allows targeted inspection of specific sections without overwhelming your system. 5. Optimizing your HTML. A massive HTML file often indicates poor code structure or unnecessary content. Reviewing your code for redundancies, unnecessary comments, or inefficient methods can dramatically reduce its size. Minification tools can help to compress the file by removing extra white space and comments, which reduces the file size without changing its functionality. This optimization will make it easier to open and manage in any application. Remember to always save a backup copy of your large HTML file before attempting any modifications or opening it in different applications, just in case something unexpected happens. The best approach will depend on your specific needs, the size of the file, and your technical skills. Experiment to find the method that works best for you.